Gordon Ramsay has done it.
Gordon has 2 wok? Oh my god.
Nick DiGiovanni has done it.
Yo, Uncle Nick copy Uncle Roger recipe.
And Jamie Oliver, well,
You hear sizzling, I hear my ancestors crying.
he tried it.
This is disgusting.
All over the world, people try to master a simple yet profound dish, fried rice. But can a half Vietnamese, sometimes kind of chill guy,
Chopped frosted onions. Medium raw shrimp, frozen.
Fresh frozen? Yes, chef. There's no such thing.
finally restore his family dignity?
My brothers do know how to cook fried rice, just I didn't. I never learned how to do it. Every time I did it, my rice came out always dry. Yes, it is technically fried rice, but it's not good fried rice.
And satisfy Uncle Roger.
He think he can make Uncle Roger fried rice? HAIYAA.
Since Huang has little to nothing in the way of cooking skills, I'll mentor him as Chef GPT with the perfect fried rice recipe and guidance along the way.
HAIYAA.
This is Master Chef GPT. As Uncle Roger preaches,
Where your wok?
Huang bought a brand new wok and has never used one.
This is secret to good egg fried rice.
But we'll get to that later. Before that chaos we prep, because when assembly starts, everything happens in seconds. Before Huang can use his brand new wok, we blew it, heating the bare carbon steel until it turns blue-black to burn off the factory coating so it won't rust or taste metallic. The surface starts to go naturally non-stick.
Seasoning your wok like this correct, but you only need to do this if it's your first time ever using this wok.
First, I've got my 1-day-old rice.
He say leftover rice? Oh, okay, first step correct.
Break every clump. Each grain must be separate.
Fill up the rice.
Here I have already peeled garlic, so I've been told to...
Have 6 cloves of garlic minced.
So I just take 6 out of them and mince it. I wish they had something like this in Germany. I didn't know what minced actually was.
Smaller than diced, smaller than chopped. One of the finest cuts in cooking.
So I just need to cut down the ends and then slice the garlic lengthwise into 3 to 4 thin slices. I hate cutting garlic.
Fuyo.
Turn it 90 degrees and then chop across the stripes.
I feel like it adds a lot of garlic, to be honest. I would just have taken probably 2 or 3.
For 1 portion of egg fried rice, at least 5 cloves.
The AI said we should save 6 cloves, so we take 6.
Asian people love garlic. We treat garlic like we treat our children. They never enough.
Next up, prepare 1-inch ginger minced.
I need a measurement because I have no idea how much 1 inch is.
Good for you.
Next up, prepare 3 large shallots, chopped.
I got myself chopped frosted onions in chopped. That was easy. No crying.
Real men should only cry when your parent die, when your baby born, or when Jamie Oliver cook.
3 large eggs plus 1 extra yolk.
Beat the eggs with a pinch of salt until smooth.
Next would have been 2 to 3 fresh red chili sliced, not chill jam.
Putting jam in rice. This is disgusting.
But as I have kids and the kids are tasting it, I leave this out. So no red chilies, otherwise my kids can't eat it.
4 ounces Chinese sausage, diced.
That was actually quite hard to get. I hope these are good ones. I have no idea, right? I'm not Chinese. I'm half Vietnamese. Wonder what Uncle Roger would say to this.
Egg fried rice only have 3 ingredients. Egg, fry, and rice, and you still mess up.
Chinese sausage. One thing I really wonder if my kids would eat or like the Chinese sausage. As Germans, we are very particular on our sausage.
Optional, 4 ounces shrimp, peeled and deveined.
I got myself medium raw shrimp, tailed off, peeled and deveined, frozen, chopped frosted.
Fresh frozen? Yes, chef. There's no such thing.
Also, prepare 1 cup frozen peas, iceberg lettuce julienne, and scallion greens for the finish. Don't forget the seasonings, peanut oil,
Shaoxing wine.
light and dark soy, and the most important ingredient.
The famous MSG.
That is the most beautiful sight.
We got some.
Puyo, so nice.
Huang had a lot of time to prepare all the ingredients, but now he will have to execute the cooking sequence in a matter of only seconds, since fried rice cooks so fast that you don't have any time to prep or lose. Add 1 tablespoon peanut oil. If it doesn't shimmer instantly, it's not hot enough.
Schimmert es?
Aber er raucht er jetzt, oder?
Schimmert es, Papa?
Was nicht schimmert es?
Put the eggs in first. 5 seconds to set, make fluffy curds. Then remove the eggs and save them for the end. Now put a little oil back in. Then add garlic and ginger for 15 seconds.
Don't give people timing. Ask them to use feeling.
Add shallots and scallion whites for 30 seconds. Add Chinese sausage, 1 minute. Add shrimp, stir until just pink. Make room for the rice and add remaining oil to the empty side of the wok.
Wie viel Öl soll ich noch dazugeben?
Just use feeling. We put soy sauce in until our ancestors tell us it's enough.
Huang left the stove to find out the correct measurements.
Das ist angebrannt.
And if that wasn't enough,
Oh, fuck. Scheiße. Zu viel.
Step out.
Or make a mistake again.
Yeah, you will. But not because you're you, just because shit happens. So what's up? You want to be a baby for another minute? Or you trying to party?
and don't forget to toss.
Ah, scheiße.
Put the rice in, stir fry 2 to 3 minutes
Weiter?
until grains start to jump. Jumping rice means you're flirting with WOK HEI.
Remember, WOK HEI is breath of wok. It's that little char bit on the fire rice that gives rice so much flavor.
Edge pour light and dark soy around the rim for instant caramelization. Add Shaoxing wine, pinch of sugar, white pepper, and a generous pinch of MSG. Peas in, eggs back, toss 30 seconds. Add lettuce and scallion greens. Drizzle sesame oil around the edges, and that's it. This looks very good, but does it taste as good as it looks or as chaotic as it was cooking it?
Ah, scheiße. Taste test.
Yay! How do you think the rice is? It's really good. It's really good.
Nee, du wirst nicht so nass. Du, Amelie?
It's wirklich gut.
This is by far the best fried rice ever done.
Please smack the like button now like you slap a bag of rice.
I'm astonished and happy. Now, it has been a while since the first time we did the fried rice with our AI master chef GPT, and I tried it a couple of times more. Sometimes really, really great. Sometimes okayish, still a lot better than what I used to. What I noticed when I did some variances is it all comes back to your tools. So doing it in this wok is just a major jump instead of doing it in a pan. I think I could not do the same thing in a pan because the most important thing that what MasterChef told us is
Keep the wok screaming hot throughout the whole process.
and yes, you saw in the video, I really burned myself. It is extremely, extremely hot. Because the wok is so hot and everything goes so fast, you really need to have everything prepared beforehand. Otherwise, you will get this thing burned and it will just cause stress. So now the third thing is that fresh ingredients really, really matter. I did it without the peas and it didn't taste at all the same. I did it without ginger, didn't taste the same. It makes a difference, and even the salad. My little one always complains if I don't put in the salad at the end, and he's a kid, he doesn't like salad, but somehow it gives this a freshness structure which is really, really amazing. Also, what really is great in this AI recipe, and what I haven't tried before, is using this soy sauce, the light and the dark, plus the white. It really gives it a unique flavor because you really taste the difference immediately. I'm not a chef cook, so I leave that to Uncle Rogers.
What do you think? Would Uncle Roger approve the dish and the way of getting there?
This is secret to good egg fried rice. Torture.